Welcome happy campers, it's me Amanda here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Transcend 297QB. Before we get started, we do have a 2022 video walkthrough already posted on our channel, which we will link, so if you want to see that one, it may cover a little bit more in detail. We're just going to kind of skim over this year, but if you have any questions, leave it down below, and we're starting in the bunk room. The bunks are super roomy and we have enough space for possibly 3 people to stay in this room, depending on the size of said people. We have lots of windows, plenty of lights for each person, and charging spots all around. Coat hangers, drawers both on the side and down below that bunk, and pretty much everything a kid could dream of. But onto the living space. Even when enjoying your living space in these awesome recliners, we get to have conversation from inside this room or inside this, so you're all really close by. We also have our dinette option, which is perfect for eating and looking outside, or even eating and watching a movie at the same time. Would be a little bit of a craning situation, but it's right above your head. And next to that, we have our controls for our indoor-outdoor speaker system, and we even have a pantry option located conveniently close to our bunk room, perfect for all of the snacks. Our kitchen is this L side of this camper, and the slide, it houses our RV fridge as well as our 3-burner top Furrion stove option. We have a matching microwave up top and a really nice sink area so you can wash your dishes, have them out to dry, or even have a nice coffee pot or blender out on the countertop. We have lots of storage up top for our dinner plates and such. And if you need any more prep space, there is this small island-like storage thing that you can use when you come in. It does house shoes underneath it, so I love that. But if you need to put some appetizers out, this would be a really great spot. Heading back in the hallway, we pass our control panel. It's right next to our door, as well as some extra hooks to make it a perfect place for your rain jacket. Also conveniently close by is the bathroom, so your guests are not going to get lost on the way to the restroom. We have lots of space in here, as well as a toilet, a really nice size vanity, perfect sink to wash your hands and face, and a mirrored front medicine cabinet. The shower is plenty big, elbow room, and it already has a shower door installed. But now to the bedroom. The private bedroom is located in the front of the camper. We've got lots of space, a really nice size bed, and plenty of storage, including an extra wardrobe that is located on the door side of the room. I love that we have 2 windows, an AC, and there's plenty of room, but I think it's time to step outside. On the outside of our entryway, you can see we have a nice big window and a window close by so we can see if anyone's delivering pizza. We also have a giant awning and lots of unobstructed space so we can make this into our own if we need. We also have an outdoor kitchen at the back of the camper with a nice beverage fridge and a pull-out griddle option. Love that. And on the back, we have extra storage. It's located under that bunk system, but I don't see any way to get to this storage area from the inside. But you do have a really nice size LED light, and it's plenty of space for extra things. So what do you think of this floor plan? Do you have any questions? What do you think the next year model should look like? Leave us some ideas in the comments below. And if you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.